Hi guys, if you can't find the COM or the LPT port in the device manager on Windows 11, this guide is going to help you. In this video, you are going to learn how you can locate, enable and troubleshoot them. So first of all, on your PC or laptop, you just have to right click on this start menu. Then among the given options over here, simply select the option of device manager. Now when the device manager pop-up is opened in front of you, you are going to see all of the hardware and the ports listed over here. So you just have to scroll down and you need to simply try to find the port which will start with the alphabet P here. So after selecting the option of port, you just have to click on the arrow option right next to it. And if visible, you are going to see the entries like USB serial port, which is COM3. If you don't see the ports section, you can just simply click on the option of view at the top. Over here, you just have to look for the option of show hidden devices. And this is going to reveal all the disabled or previously connected COM ports. If ports still don't appear in your device, you can connect your device and install its driver. You can also click on the option of action and then scan for hardware changes, and Windows only shows the COM ports when the correct driver is installed. So you can follow these steps and you are going to see the COM and the LPT ports easily on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.